Hey guys, Glenn here. Hey listen, got an unboxing video for you. Got a new toy in the mail the other day. And this is for the WORX WG512 TRIVAC. I've got their older version, the first one that came out. Not the very first one, because if you remember, the very first one had plastic impeller inside, and they ended up changing it over to metal. So I've got the one with the metal blade inside for the fan to blow and chomp up all the stuff. This is the brand new WG512. I would imagine it still has a metal blade after the problem they were having with the first one. So let's dig right into this thing and see what we got. Got my trusty knife here. Let's get this opened up and see what we got inside this box. I know a lot of you WORX fans out there like me. I own a good portion of their tools, including their WORX Landroid robotic mower, and that's my favorite. I love that mower. Best thing they ever made. I had the original first version, which was the WG784 robotic mower, but that wasn't as good as the new one. The new one's fantastic. All right, so let's get this out of the box. See what we got here. Get this box out of the way so we can just pull this stuff out. Now, one thing they did not change is the bag. This might be a little bit bigger bag, maybe, I'm not sure. I have my original out in my shed, so I'm not really sure, but might be a little bit bigger bag. I'll have to measure it with my old one. But there's the bag right there. It says WORX right on it. It's got a strap. They didn't change this design at all. So I can use my existing bag along with this one. All right, let's get this more out of here and see what else we got. All right, so this is where another design change they made. They went from a kind of a boxy, narrow style, and it kind of went out at a 45-degree at the end, to this big, wide, where nothing can get caught. So this ought to be interesting to see how well that works. Yeah, we'll put that out of the way. And let's get to the main TRIVAC itself. All right. Get this off of here. All right, so it's still an electric plug-in TRIVAC. They haven't gone battery yet. I'm waiting for when they do. That'd be a nice change to see when it's battery powered. I know it wouldn't last long on a charge because of what you're doing with it, but yeah, not bad. You know what, here, let me just grab my knife again here and we'll just give this the old chop. All right, put that back in the box. All right, so here's the main blower itself, as well as mulcher. They made a big change because it's nice. It's got this huge to turn it to what you're going to use it for, whether you're blowing or sucking. So it's a really nice change with this thing. Let's just go ahead and we will attach this to the front. I got leaves out in my yard waiting to be mulched up, so as soon as I get the bad weather that's on Cape Cod right now out of here, I'll be able to go ahead and get this out there and I can give it a try. So there you go. There is the WORX TRIVAC WG715. Oh no, I mean, what am I saying? Sorry, 715. Give me 1 second here. Sorry about this. Oh, the WG512. I'm sorry. Where did I get 715 from? I don't know. You can penalize me for that one. Sorry, guys, but so this is it. The WG512, beautiful looking TRIVAC. Can't wait to get out there and start mulching up leaves and all that good stuff and get them things out of I think they're pretty much all down with all the storms we've been having on Cape Cod. It's been crazy. It's been raining. We've had a lot of wind, a lot of rain, a little bit, a mixture of, wasn't quite snow. It was probably more like sleet the other day, or the other night, I should say. So yeah, we should be all set. Supposed to be a nice day on Sunday, and maybe I'll do some video showing how good the TRIVAC works, so I can give you guys a little show here on how this thing actually does in action. Maybe I'll add it to this video. So if you're going to watch this, if you're just watching this video for the first time, I'll include the video of showing how good this works along to the end of this video. So, all right. Okay, so now we're going to get to the testing part of the two WORX TRIVACs, my original WG509 and my new one, my WG512. All right, so as you can see, I've got leaves over here by my house, and I'm going to do the blow apart first. I'm going to blow some leaves, then I'm going to rake up two piles about the same size, and I'll show you the difference to see which one actually does better picking up the leaves. Now, mind you, the WG509 has this little area right here that the air is going to blow out of. On the WG512, comes out the same chute that you pick the leaves up, so you're going to see a huge difference. When I get this started up, I do have it blower mode, just to make sure that everything's all set on this one. Looks okay. All right, let's see how good this actually works as a blower. So as you can see, not bad, not great either, but, you know, yeah, if you're going to do some light leaves, it'd probably be okay for that. But other than that, I wouldn't use it to, I wouldn't hope to blow a big pile of leaves around. All right, let me swap, get my new one hooked up here, and we'll show the comparison test. Let me just get this hooked on here. All right, and I'll just plug this in. Okay, and I will, now the difference in the two of these, and I'll show you, is right here. This is how I switch from, get this, that's the, in this position, you're gonna suck up leaves. This position puts it in the blower mode. A little hard to turn that too, by the way. All right, so on my new one, right here, nice simple. All right, note where the you connect the bag to it. Watch what happens when I go ahead and turn this. It takes it right up inside of here, out of your way. Here's your motor. All right, check this out. Yeah. Okay, so now I want to turn on my new WG512. Watch the difference. I would say that's quite a bit of difference. All right, so this definitely has much better blowing power than the old one does. All right, let me get these set up to do the picking up leaves, and I can show you that. All right, now I want to show you before I start picking up leaves. This is the bag to my old TRIVAC. This is the bag to the new one. Now I did note one thing today, and I thought about it last night. Notice how it works on this side of the bag, right? Facing out. This is to the old TRIVAC. The new one, the bag in the same position, and whoops, with WORX. It's on the wrong side of the bag. They've got to either move the print, they're printing it on the wrong side of the bag. So WORX, if you see this video, I'm going to tag it to them. You need to move your printing of WORX to the right proper side of the bag, because when I'm wearing this bag, I'm out mulching, nobody can see the name. All right, so now, other difference between these bags is, all right, right here, you've got two notches on either side. It's round, right? It goes right here on the end of the TRIVAC. You push this in, put it up in place, release it, and hold it in place. Now this one here, the switch, the safety switch, is right here. When you take this off, you can't turn this one on. The new one's a little different. All right, so on the new one, you don't take that off, obviously. It's a little harder to come off than that one is. On the new one right here, same, just about the same round opening, same here, but see this little, like, kind of notched out piece? If you look on this one, you've got right here a little notch. So when you snap the bag on, this here is what allows for this to work. So when you take this bag off, there's no way to turn this on unless you put it into blow mode, and then you can turn it on. All right, so let me go ahead and hook this old one up, and I'm just gonna rake some of the, pick up some of the leaves over there, and I'll show you. We'll see what they do. All right, so this one, just get this into place. That's, now you get, once you get it in there, it snaps right on. All right, so people complained about these when they got them, saying they had an awful time getting the bags off. I've had this one probably since when did I get this? 2015?
Yeah, something like that.
I think so. I've never had a problem with the bag coming off. It comes off with no effort. All right. So my switch is in the down position, so I've got it in the mode to suck leaves up. All right. Let's come over here and let's see if we can get some leaves up, see how this does compared to my new one. That's not bad. All right, let me go ahead and get my other one hooked up. And let's get this over there and do the same thing. And I will try and do about the same equal amount of leaves. All right, let's get this hooked in here. And let's see, get this plugged in if I can get it right. Make sure I get the proper one. Yeah, that's the... Nope, I'll turn around. Okay, there we go. Make sure. Oh. All right. So let's go ahead and swap bags here. This one with the notch on it. All right, so you just, same thing. Push in the back to lock it on. All set. So it's as simple as that. It's an easy, simple setup. All right, let me get my bag in position here. All right, ready? I know it's going to be a little hard to tell watching a video, but I'd say this definitely picks them up better, and the other advantage to having this big round barrel that goes right down through here, and it goes right into the blade and then right then to the bag. If you look at the old one, right, over here, this one used to jam on me a lot, and the reason why is here. Let me disconnect my get this disconnected real quick. Okay. So the difference is that's straight into the blade and then right down into the bag. Let me open this one up. So this one you can open up and I'll show you. Well, first off, I get a lot of stuff caught right here in the 45-degree angle. Second place I would get caught right in here. And you got this flap right here where this is your see right now it's in the mode to pick up leaves, right? And see if I open it, it'll the air come right out of here and blow right down through the bottom, out that bottom chute. So I get a lot of stuff caught in here in the back side. So this one definitely jammed up really easy. So the new one, they've eliminated that problem. I haven't jammed that one up yet, and got a lot of stuff go through it. So it's a straight shot. So, all right, so there it is, the WORX WG509 and the brand new WORX WG512. So, hope you like what you see, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you like the video, and if you have any comments, go ahead and comment down below. Love to see the comments. This is Glenn from Cape Cod, and I just wanted to show you the WORX 512 against the old WORX 509. All right, see you, everybody.